In the beginning, chaos reigned, a world filled with incessant noise, distractions, and overwhelming emotions. But amidst this turmoil, a group of extraordinary individuals emerged. They were the masters of their own minds, the rulers of their own emotions. They chose to live in perfect harmony with nature, unperturbed by external circumstances or opinions. This is their story, the tale of the true Stoics. In the heart of ancient Greece, a young man named Zeno found himself shipwrecked and destitute. Seeking refuge in a bookstore, he stumbled upon the profound teachings of Socrates. Inspired, he crafted a philosophy that would come to be known as Stoicism. Zeno believed that the key to a good life lay not in the pursuit of pleasure or the avoidance of pain, but in the cultivation of virtue and wisdom. Zeno's teachings spread like wildfire, attracting followers from all walks of life. Among them was a former slave who ascended to become one of the most influential Stoic philosophers, Epictetus. He taught that our disturbances do not stem from external events, but from the perspectives we adopt. Epictetus firmly believed that we possess the power to choose our responses to any situation, and in this choice lies our ultimate freedom. The Stoics were more than mere philosophers. They were warriors of life. They confronted life's battles with unwavering courage and resilience, never allowing their emotions to cloud their judgment. They understood that challenges were opportunities for growth and learning. Every setback was a chance to practice patience, every insult a chance to practice forgiveness, and every loss a chance to practice acceptance. The Stoics were also deeply connected to nature. They embraced a life in harmony with the natural world, recognizing their place in the grand tapestry of existence. They marveled at the beauty of changing seasons, the cycles of life and death, and the rhythmic dance of the tides. They comprehended the interconnectedness of all things, understanding that we are but parts of a cosmic whole. Unswayed by the opinions of others, the Stoics recognized that the only true measure of worth lay in how one lived their life. They understood that they couldn't control external judgments, but they could control their own response. They chose to live with unwavering integrity and authenticity, seeking validation and approval from within themselves, not from others. The Stoics were masters of their own minds. They recognized that our thoughts and beliefs shape our reality. Through the practice of mindfulness, they remained fully present in the moment, untangled from past regrets or future anxieties. They cultivated inner peace, finding serenity amidst the chaos of existence. But the Stoics were not just philosophers, they were practitioners. They embodied their philosophy, living examples of what it truly means to be a Stoic. They didn't merely speak of virtue and wisdom, they lived and breathed them. And now we conclude our journey through time, exploring the lives and teachings of the Stoics. We have witnessed their unwavering courage, their profound wisdom, and their indomitable resilience. We have observed how they harmonized with nature and themselves, how they faced challenges with grace and dignity, and how they mastered their own minds. This is the essence of Stoicism: to transcend the sway of emotions, to confront challenges with unwavering courage and wisdom, to live in harmony with nature, and to remain unyielding in the face of external circumstances or opinions. If you embrace life with these principles, you embody the true Stoic spirit. This is your legacy. If this journey has ignited your inspiration, if you felt a connection with the Stoics and their teachings, then I extend an invitation to you. Subscribe to our channel, Stoic Titans. Join our community, and together we shall continue to explore the timeless wisdom of the Stoics. Until our next meeting, always remember, The key to a fulfilling life doesn't lie in the pursuit of pleasure or the avoidance of pain, but in the cultivation of virtue and wisdom. Be a true Stoic and leave a legacy that will endure through the ages.